In exercise 38, you're asked to graph the solution to the system of linear inequalities. So here's the system. So let's do a summary of how we're going to approach solving this problem. First, we're going to graph the first inequality. Then we're going to graph the second inequality. And we're going to find the intersection of the graphs that we found in the previous two steps. And the intersection will be the solution to our system. So first, let's graph the inequality negative 4x is less than y. In order to do that, we need to take a few steps. First, we graph the equality, negative 4x is equal to y. And recall, we use a solid line with the symbols less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, and a dotted line with a strictly less than or strictly greater than symbol. We choose a test point that's not on the line and substitute that ordered pair into the original inequality. And if that is true, we shade the same side as the test point. If it's false, we shade the opposite side that contains the test point. So here's the graph for the first inequality. Next, we're going to graph the second inequality. X plus 4y is equal to 3. So we used a dotted line because we had a strict inequality, less than. And you can choose a test point that's not on the line and substitute that ordered pair in the original inequality. The test point that you choose must not lie on the line. So in this case, it's easy to use the origin 0, 0. You want to test that in the original inequality. And when you do that, if you get a true statement, you shade the same side that contains the test point. If you get a false statement, you shade the opposite side. So we have our two inequalities graphed separately, and the third graph on the far right is the graph of the intersection of those two graphs. So that's the final answer.